Good morning guys, it's me again and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we're going on a hike papuntang Volcanic Island and we're going for a swim. Mas light lang yung itinerary natin for today. Hindi siya kagaya ng yesterday na medyo heavy. Like 5 hours, 6 hours, so half day lang siya. And then for the rest of the day, we'll go back to Fira. Kasi mas maraming tao, mas maraming shops na bukas. Parang there's like more to see dun sa may mismong center. Kasi previously nandun tayo sa may side ng Caldera, no? So, I think for tonight, dun ako sa mismong sentro ng Fira. This is the fit for today. Ayan, ganyan lang. Ternohan. Okay, let's go. Since we're going on a hike, dala ko ulit yung backpack ko. And most importantly, yung ating bottle of water. And then, hiking shoes and para ready tayo. Papunta ulit tayo dun sa may Sotosh pastry shop, which is the pickup point ulit. I booked this tour through Get Your Guide app. Yan. So usually dalawa silang pinagpipilian ko when I book tours. It's either the Get Your Guide app or Viator. Yan. And then this costs around 25 pounds. Okay, nandito na yung bus. And it's a double-decker bus. Okay. Get it back. Okay, ayun na. We're approaching the port. And then may mga boats dyan, which will take us to the Volcanic Island, which is over there. Ayan. Usually, yung view natin from the top looking down, pero ito, nandito na tayo sa may dagat. Ganito yung view pataas. Ay, against the sun pala. Grabe, sobrang taas. Okay, so we're now on the queue papuntang boat. Ayan, I think that's our boat. Ang tao. Hello. Hello. Just you. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you. Probably here. Hindi na tayo sa may Volcanic Island. Mga volcanic rocks talaga. Ang galing. Ayun. Parang tumigas na magma. Lava. Ganun.
Yeah, show me the people. One.
Volcanic rock.
Scan the barcode here.
Okay.
Yes. Hello.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we're in. Meron palang 5 euros na entrance. This is the first stop, which is the Volcanic Island. It's an active volcano pero dormant naman siya. So, hindi mo siya alarming. Okay. This is the view. First few minutes pa lang, pagod na agad. Pagod. Okay. So for this tour we got 3 stops daw. So first one is the Volcanic Island. Kung nasan tayo ngayon. Hapo. And second one is the hot spring. So meron free time to swim. And then last is the island of Teresia. So I think yung island behind the volcanic island. So entire tour is for 6 hours. Yeah, I'll finish by 4 p.m. Alright, we're now at the first crater down of the volcano. Hello, scary. Ito naman sa mga heights. Right, ito na siya. Oh, this one. Ang tarik niya. So careful sa steps. Baka mahulog. At maging kwento na lang. Ayan siya. So we're in a large group. Ayan. Ang galing no ng tour guide. Ano siya, polyglot, multilingual. So he's explaining everything in English, French, and then Italian. Sana all. Okay, and then naglalakad na kami papunta doon sa highest point of the volcanic island. Tapos doon daw makikita namin mga steams, mga sulfur kinenong. Ganun. Hindi ko ma-explain. But sabi, this island is like 500 years old. And it's called Nea Kamea, which means new birth. Kasi nga, this is like the youngest island in Europe daw. Resulted from volcanic eruption. Almost 500 years ago. Ganun. Ang ine-expect kong hike mga ano lang, mga 20 minutes lang ganun. 30 minutes lang. So Lord, ang haba pa na ng lakad nito, paakyat pa pala. Akala ko lalakad lang ng konti, tapos maliligo na agad sa hot spring. Wrong! Okay, anyways, good luck. Hindi siya kita, but this is Fira, and then that's Iya. So kahapon nandun tayo sa Fira facing this way. Ito na yung volcanic island. Ngayon it's the other way around. So we're now facing Fira. And then that's Iya. And then that's Thracia, which is our last stop. Okay, water break.
You need to turn to green.
Okay, we're almost at the top. Sabi na lang. Sabi kanina, nakangiti pa kami. Pero sabi ng tour guide ko, pag nasa taas na daw kami, mukha ko nakangiti pa daw kami. Okay. We're here. Hala, ang ganda naman dito. Ay. Ganda. Mahangin nga lang. Mahangin. But, okay. Ayan. It's the view. Hindi siya kita, pero so may island pa dito isa, and then this is the white island from yesterday, and then this is Thracia, and Iya sa gilid. Ayan. Geography lessons yan. Nag-history lesson muna kami ng ng tour guide. His name is Dada. Very nice, very knowledgeable. Now, papunta ako doon sa may active part ng volcano, which meron daw mga fumes with sulfur. So, tingnan natin kung meron. Ito na siya. Isa sa mga craters. This one. Namoy ko na siya guys. Amoy sulfur nga. Okay. Tingnan natin. Hopefully we get to see the fumes. Dito pa rin tayo sa may volcanic island. So, ingat lang tayo. Yung yellowish powder, which is sulfur. Amoy ko yung sulfur, pero wala mga fumes. So, very discreet siguro sila coming from the ground. So, I think that's one evidence of the volcano is still active, no? Still dormant. I just learned that Santorini is not just the main island, but it's a group of islands. It's a group of 5 islands. And Santorini is composed of the main island, which is Thera, and then yung katapat niya, which is Theracia, and then yung island na nandito tayo ngayon is Nea Kameni, which is new birth kasi nga galing siya sa isang volcanic eruption. And then yung katabi niya, which is an old volcano, it's Palaya Kameni, which is old birth. And then meron pang maliit na island, yung White Island na puti yung taas, so that's the White Island. So post ko na lang yung picture dito. But anyways, it's the hashtag today I learned. I also learned that Santorini is the name given by the Venetian Empire when they came here years and years ago. And then when they came to the island of Thera, so there was a church, pero the church doesn't exist anymore though. Gumuho daw because of the earthquake. And then they dedicated the church to Saint Irene or Santa Irene. And then eventually Santa Irene naging ano siya, Santo Rini. Ayun. Another hashtag today I learned. Okay. Time for swim. Parang nasa may ibang side lang kami ng volcanic island. Ito pa rin yung main volcanic island. And then we'll stay for 30 minutes for swim. I'm not sure kung ano yung temperature ng water, but let's see. Sana hindi ganun kalamig. Okay. Ang lamig. Ang lamig. Alam ko hot spring mga mi. Malamig ang water. Alright, so we're back on the boat. Parang 30 minutes na swim namin, pero very refreshing. Akala ko hot spring talaga. Hindi hot spring, parang sa may gilid lang kami ng island nag-swim. Pero okay na rin naman. We're now in our last stop, which is the island of Teras. Hindi ko masabi. Tiracia. So the main land, yung kung saan tayo nag-stay is Thera, and then this is Tiracia. So Thera daw is from the Spartan king who inhabited the mainland, and Tiracia is the daughter of King Thera. Ayan. Pakita ko lang, no? Ito na. Ayan. Ito yung pasigsag na daan na nakikita natin from Thera. Ayan siya. I'm not sure kung gusto ko pang umakyat. Parang okay na, parang na-appreciate ko na yung yung view ng Santorini. Parang mapagod na ako, mami. Siguro mag-stay na ako dito sa baba. Tapos picture taking na lang. We'll stay here until 3. So meron kaming 2 hours. And have lunch and then tea time and then pictures sa island of Tiracia.
Na-realize ko, pagod din pala, no? Pag lagi ka may tour, no? Buti na lang, parang 2 tour lang muna yung binuko for this holiday. So, hindi siya yung pressure na parang, kailangan ko siyang puntahan. At sobrang, meron na namang isa na kailangan nating puntahan. Ganyan. So, ano lang, chill lang. Slow travel nga, di ba? So, ganun. Dito naman tayo sa may left side ng fort. Yung ba talaga umakit talaga dun sa taas? Effort. Ako hindi ko na kaya ng hindi na kaya ng energy ko mga so dito lang ako sa baba and then siguro mag-lunch na ako. Parang gusto ng seafood. Okay. So I got Greek moussaka, this pasta with veggies and meat, and then salad called Dakos Tirasia. Tirasia. Ayan. So lunch with this beer. May iba siya sa ano, parang regular Greek salad. Busog ako dun ah. Hindi na tuloy yung seafood kasi nabudol ako ni ate. Sales stock niya ako. Nung sinabi niya moussaka, sabi ko, ano moussaka? Sabi niya, okay, ganito explain siya. Sabi ko, okay, sige, I'll take it. Para siyang lasagna. Kasi parang may pasta, and then may meat, and then may veggie siya. And then may eggplant. Ayun. So lakad-lakad muna tayo. Tapos may nakita kong windmill. Just gonna take some photos. So, ang galing. Wow. Caught my attention. Galing. Ano yung windmill? I'm not sure kung, parang feeling ko hindi na siya gumagana. Ayan. Tapos ito yung pasigsag, paakyat ng town. Dito. Galing, no? Karamihan talaga sa nila, white walls and blue windows and doors. Parang yung Greek flag. Okay, sa picture tayo dito. Ayan. Ang galing, gumagana pala siya. Kasi yung LSC niya hindi buo eh. So akala ko hindi siya umiikot. Ang galing umiikot siya. Gumagana pala siya. Okay. I got ice cream, cheesecake, and espresso. While waiting. Got cheesecake, and then sa ilalim merong espresso. Ayan. Isa kakapagod yung init, no? Mas less may activity compared yesterday. Mas maraming lakad yung kahapon. Ito yung lakad lang dito yung yung sa Volcanic Island. Pero kahapon mas malala yung lakad. Ayun. But anyways, okay naman so far. Very enjoyable. I went out again to have dinner and I'm here at Siena Pizzeria. Or Pizzeria Siena. Nasa siya, boundary ng Carterados and Fira. So I had like an hour and a half rest or sleep naman. Nakauwi ako ng hotel mga 5 p.m. and then slept and then eto, labas na ako. So this is gonna be the first time na lalabas talaga ako ng gabi o lalabas after sunset. Kasi yesterday or mga previous days after sunset uwi na ako, ganun. So kakalimutan ko muna yung pagiging tito ko and I'm gonna go out and explore Fira later. Kasi nintig ako kahapon eh. Kasi dahil mga shops o mga restaurants na bukas. Medyo maingay kasi malapit sa highway. Yun yung same highway na nilalakaran ko pabalik ng Carterados. So Carterados papunta doon and then Fira doon. Okay naman yung tour kanina. Expected naman yung pagod because of the hike. Hindi ko lang in-expect na wala palang hot springs. So naligo kami dun sa may gilid ng Volcanic Island. Pero okay din naman. Nakapagtampis sa for at least half an hour. Grabe naman. That looks nice. Masarap. Okay. Tikman na natin. So if I remember correctly, pati Croatia and Greece was under the Venetian Empire. Kaya may Italian influence yung pagkain nila dito. Alright, we're now in Fira Square. Very lively. So remember, yung first day ko dito, walang katao-tao. Well, umaga pa naman yun. But ito kasi halos alas 10 ng gabi. So, people are having dinner, they're having drinks, they're chilling. Medyo busy nga lang pala. So I'm not really sure what to do. Pero I think I'm gonna find a bar and then have some drinks, kill time. I don't know. Sayang kasi 2 days na lang ako dito. Oh wow. So may mga dito parang hindi kailangan sit down restaurant sa para may merong food hall. Ano ba to? Parang ano lang, food court. Ayan. Maliit lang yung square nila. Okay. And then karamihan nandito sa loob. Okay. So may mga options na tayo for clubbing. So let's see kung kaya pa ng energy ko mag-club or mag-bar later. But for now, lakad-lakad na lang. Pag pumunta ka ng Santorini, ito marami na. Stray cats. Ning-ning! Ning-ning! Thank you. Walang alak-alak. Chocolate tayo. Dubai chocolate. Amazing. Perfect. Pagkain talaga yung pinunta ko dito eh. Actually, the food. Yung main attraction talaga dito. Well, on top of the caldera and the islands, of course. Food is nice. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap up the video muna here habang inubos ko yung ice cream ko. So far, naging productive naman tayo, a bit busy. We had a hike sa Volcanic Island. We learned so much about Santorini. We learned about Santorini as a group of islands, not just one. We learned about the history ng islands. Diba? Went for a swim, visited the island of Terracia, and then here, spending the night in Fira. Thanks so much guys for watching and see you next time.